All right guys, so the car is coming up, but I'm not letting Steven look at it yet. I want to give you guys people's raw reactions to the car first before I reveal it, because I have a special reveal video coming. Don't look yet. No peeking.
I'm not peeking, I'm just following your voice.
I was looking at a new car and I ended up finding the perfect one, I think, for me. And yeah, I'm just gonna get his reaction. We're almost there, we're like a couple steps away. The car is behind me. Yeah, I'm just gonna tell Steven to open his eyes and he's gonna give you his raw reaction to the car, what he thinks, if he likes it. But he cannot reveal it to you guys yet. So, all right, Steven. 3, 2, 1.
And
boom.
Oh shit! I was not expecting that.
Car's literally right here.
Looks cool. I'd whip it.
But I'm gonna hang out with Steven and we're just gonna cruise in the car and I'll show him a little bit more, and you guys just stay tuned. You're gonna get more reactions and I'm going to shoot a reveal video and it's gonna be legendary, so just stay tuned guys. You definitely don't want to miss this. If you are not following my Instagram and my Snapchat, be sure to go down, link in the description. You'll have both right there. You can follow me on both platforms. I am giving away hints to the car already and a lot of you have already guessed it, so just do me a favor and do yourself a favor, go down, follow me on those platforms, and stay tuned guys. What do you got to say, Steven, just about the car and just very briefly?
The car, very briefly.
Yeah.
There's potential in her. There's a lot of potential, a lot of room for work.
Yeah, a lot of content.
A lot of body work for sure, but not like bad body work. Just minor stuff. Aesthetics.
Did it meet your expectations or pass your expectations?
It passed my expectations.
Good.
By a little bit,
yeah.
Not by a lot.
This is random and we just teleported into the video, but we're at the cool little rooftop I like to go to. If you guys watch the videos, you know where we are. And I actually brought Jesus. You guys know who he is. CBR 1000, yeah. And the WRX. So right now he's just gonna get his reaction to the car. So he hasn't seen it. The car is literally right over here. Yeah, so right now Jesus can look at the car, bro.
I can see it now?
Yeah. It's the first time.
Where's it at?
Straight ahead, dude. Look at it.
Ooh, you put the wheels on it.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I thought it was gonna be blue. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be blue.
I thought it was that blue one too.
It's a monster truck, bro. Beautiful monster truck.
Yeah. Dude, everything you say I gotta bleep out. Because they haven't seen it yet. I don't want them to know anything about the car.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna bleep it out. It's cool.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah. What do you think, bro?
Nice.
Guys, the car's literally like right here.
She got that little aggressive touch on her, I see.
Yeah.
We were all getting sprinkled on. She got water all over her.
Yeah.
Water droplets. She looks nice, dude.
Yeah.
Is that the wheels that came on it?
Yeah, these came on the front and the rear. I just wanted to see how those looked on it.
Okay,
so.
yeah, no. I like those better. I like
Guys, if Jesus approves, I'm pretty sure you guys will too. So right now, what we're gonna do, it's pouring, absolutely pouring on the other side. We live in Florida, if you don't know, and that's basically, that's how it works. It pours on one side, other side it doesn't. So we're hoping that it doesn't come over here. After Steven gets off the phone, we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys the car. So yeah. Okay guys, so right now I got reactions from Steven and also Jesus, and they are here to help me film and record the reveal of the new car. So if you've been following me on Instagram and Snapchat, you guys have seen little tiny hints, and I'm pretty sure you guys are super eager to see what car I got. So without any further ado guys, I'm gonna flip the camera and show you the new car that I got for the channel. I'm super excited, and all I gotta say is I feel like this was a perfect time to pick this car up. So with all that said guys, this is my new car.